Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hi, I'm Brittany. So today we're filming a very different video. As you guys could see, we're gonna be doing a vlog, but not just any vlog. We're gonna be filming me redoing my beauty room, also my living space. I'm also gonna be showing my makeup collection, just so much good things in this video. We're going for a boho theme for the whole area that we're gonna be redecorating. So if you guys want to see this video, let's go ahead and get started. Alrighty guys, so we just got back from Target. Let me show you what we got. Let's start with the stuff that we have down here. This top one right here is actually not from Target. We got this a while back from HomeGoods, but it's a big picture frame and you could put Polaroids on here. We already took some. We don't have them all hung up yet because obviously we haven't hung this up yet, but we got it quite a while back when everything was still open. But these are the two things we picked up from Target today, and they're both from the line Project 62, which we tend to like this brand for some reason. But we got this round mirror and it has gold trim. It looks very boho. That's kind of the theme we were going for. And then from the same line, like I said, we got this bookshelf right here and it's black and glass and it looks super cute. The other stuff we got from Target is over here with the Container Store stuff. But we just got a lot of knickknacks to put on the bookshelf, a lot of fake plants and stuff. As for the containers, we got these all from the Container Store and we have all kinds of different sizes. This one came with all four. Then we have different dividers and organizers in this bag. I'll show you everything once it's set up. I have some of my makeup up here, the stuff that was on my vanity, but this is what our living room is looking like right now. As you can see, it's not decorated at all. I have my old vanity. We're getting rid of this chair over here, and then also this rug, we're getting rid of that. But we have a little bit of space over here. We're gonna have a smaller vanity and it's gonna be pushed in the front a little bit more. First, we're probably gonna put the bookshelf together right now. So this is what the shelf is looking like, and oh my gosh, look at all these pieces. And then it came with all these different screws that go in each piece. We have the legs done now though, and so now to get the actual shelves done. So today is a new day and we got the bookshelf done, and I put most of my makeup in there and also kind of decorated a little bit. Let me go ahead and show you. So this is what she's looking like. We don't know if we're gonna keep it in this area, but before we move it, we want to decorate everywhere else. But as you can see, I have all of my makeup in here, or most of it. I have some still everyday makeup over here because I'm gonna put it in my new vanity. We decorated it with our little plants and everything we got from Target. They all kind of range in price, so I'll probably have them linked in the description. Then I put some liquid lipsticks up here and then some brushes. These ones I've obviously used, so they look a little dirty, but I want to get some bling brushes or something to put up here because I think that would be really cute. This one we found in the dollar section, which is such a gem. It's so cute. It goes really good with the decor. I'll probably put beauty blenders or something in that one. Here's what the containers look like when they're all stacked on top of each other. Obviously some of them have a little space in between depending on the size. I'll show you how I kind of have it organized for now. So in this one we have all brow products, and then in this one we have liquid eyeshadows and kind of glitter eyeliners, glitter things. In here we have some compacts, which is mainly my blushes and highlighters. And this one we have all loose products, so loose highlighters, loose powder. This one houses all my face palettes and also this giant highlighter. I just didn't know what to do with that. Oh, and it has a lip palette in there as well. This one has more of compacts, so this is mainly bronzers and things. And then we have concealers right here because it didn't fit in the complexion drawer, which is this one. It's one of those huge sweater containers, so you could stand everything up, which I like. So we have all our foundations, primers, and setting sprays all the way in the back right there. So I love this one because it's all my complexion all together. So satisfying. And here we have all bullet lipsticks, and in the back I have a little container inside of the actual other container with all my MAC lipsticks, and then here's all my other bullets that are just different brands. This one is mainly lip gloss. And we have liquid lipsticks over here. Mascaras in this one. We have new and the ones I have open. This one's kind of random, but I love it. It has like all my single products. So single eyeshadows, single eyeliners, ColourPop, Dose of Colors. We have MAC right there in the back. And then in here we have lip liners and eyeliners, I believe. Is that what I put in here? No, in this one it's all eyeliners, and then this one it's lip liners and also like lip pencils. And this one we have like my small eyeshadow palettes. So we have like all the Anastasia together, Huda Beauty in the back. And then these ones are like mini palettes, and then also some like medium size right there. And then down here we have some more palettes. I got these little letter holders from Marshalls a long time ago. And then this one's also a letter holder, and I just have more palettes. I actually still have some of my palettes in this desk because they didn't fit over there, but with my new vanity they should fit in that one. And so yeah, I'm loving this whole like new organization. I just love that I could see everything and just like choose from there. We just give Hudson catnip, so if he's acting weird, that's why. But our new couch is here. I'm so excited. I'm nervous though because it looks a little small, so we're gonna open it right now. So this is what the couch looks like all set up. I love it. It's like this velvet material. We got it in the color cream, and it's just so soft. And I think I want to put this throw on it. I got it from Ulta. It was like a free gift with purchase with fragrance, and I never used it until now. Like I just opened it, and it's so cute. And so I thought it'd be really pretty like to add like a pop of color on the couch, like something like that. And then also I got some pillows to go with that throw yesterday at Target. Let me go ahead and show you. They're so freaking cute. They're so like boho, which I love. And I love the colors, they match perfectly. This is what they look like. Aren't they so freaking cute? Let's put them on the couch and see what it looks like. What do you guys think? Also from Target, we picked up these 2 chairs for both of our desks so they could like match. They're white and they have like wooden legs. They're so cute. They're from that same line that we love, which is Project 62. And I believe they were like $50 or $60 each, which is not bad for chairs. We found out that chairs are actually pretty expensive. Also, my new vanity just got here. I'm so excited. So I got it from Impressions Vanity, and we haven't even looked in the box at all. So hopefully nothing came broke. But before we set that up, I want to go ahead and clean my old vanity off and get everything settled with the drawers. We don't know if we're going to keep them or not. We might put them over here by the bookshelf, but right now everything's kind of just cluttered over here. But I'm so excited just to keep putting everything together and start decorating. Moment of truth. Hopefully it's not broken.
Don't get my head in there. I have to comb my hair.
Babe, you can't say stuff.
Why?
Just open it. Yay, it's not broke. Woohoo! Sin is just staring. Okay, so now we just have to take this old desk apart. That's it. So I opened this box and he scared the crap out of me because I didn't know it was in there. Oh my gosh. Get out of there. Come on. You crazy cat. Okay guys, there she is all built. It was a little bit difficult building it with only 2 people, but she looks really nice. The only thing I don't like about it is that it has holes right here for the mirror, but we purposely bought the one without the mirror because it would just be in the way for filming, but it still has the holes, which is kind of annoying. Now I'm gonna start like putting my everyday makeup inside and then also my brushes on top. As you guys could see, I have like all kinds of different containers for my brushes, but I kind of want to have them all matching, and so I really like this one because it's all white. So I actually bought more of these to put most of my brushes in. Hopefully it'll be enough. Where's the bag? Sorry for the mess. So I got these from Daiso. They're just plant holders. They have a little hole at the bottom, but they're super affordable and they're really cute. So the first thing I'm gonna put in the desk are my extra palettes, the ones that didn't fit over here. Okay, I got her off.
I like that. I'm gonna leave it in there.
Okay, I got her all filled up. We have eyeshadow palettes in this one. This one has lashes and kind of everyday makeup, and then more palettes in this one. Okay guys, so we moved everything and it looks pretty empty, and we feel like we can't really think of where to put things unless we have other like furniture and things. So we're probably gonna go pick some stuff up right now. We just left Home Goods. It was so busy because today was their first day back open. I don't know if you guys could see that, but there's like a line outside. It's crazy. Okay guys, so today is the next day and this is what the rug ended up looking like that we got from Target. It was like $100 and something, but we actually got it on sale. And then we ended up also picking up this coffee table, which goes perfect with like the boho theme. And this was also on sale. So I think this one was like 20% off. But I love the way it looks, so we're probably gonna put it on the carpet. And then here's everything else we picked up. So most of this stuff, I think all of this right here is from Home Goods, except for this plant right here, it's from Target. And then we also got like this thing to hang on the wall. It's very boho. Let me show you. This is what it looks like right here, and I like that it had black on it because it goes with like the black accents, like the bookshelf and like Hudson's chair and stuff. I think we're gonna hang it on that wall over there. We also put my like filming setup right here, and it's kind of cool because it separates the living room from my filming area. Hopefully you guys could see, but let me scoop back. So yeah, as you guys could see, like this whole area right here is gonna be for filming. I'm gonna have my background right here. And then even if I wanted to, I could turn around the camera and have this as like a natural background. We also put my IKEA drawers over here next to each other. I need to clean them and stuff, but that would be like a nice kind of shelf for all these plants that we got yesterday. And I don't know, I just think that would look really cute. And then obviously I already showed you guys this stuff that we're gonna be hanging on the wall. And we'll probably get everything done today. I'm so excited. Hudson keeps trying to eat all our plants. Look at him. And we sprayed it with like this fragrance stuff so he wouldn't be attracted to it, and he still doesn't care, obviously. Don't eat that. It has poison on it. So I'm just gonna try to set everything up right now. I'm gonna do a little time lapse. Please excuse the way I look. I just woke up. So this is what the coffee table is looking like. It's so freaking cute. So I got this tray. It's gold and I love like the gold on it. It's like a brass gold. And then we have this little knickknack we got from Home Goods with the plant inside. And then I put some coasters and they're like wooden and black. So I thought it matched perfectly. Now I'm gonna go ahead and start decorating this little corner. Doesn't it look so cute? I love it. And this candle we got from Home Goods actually smells really good. But I love all our little decorations. And I think I'm gonna put this Polaroid canvas thing right above, like right here. I think that would look really nice. Here. Oh, we only have two left. The one in my butt. We're gonna hang up the mirror next. All right, got fingerprints all over it. I look so bad.
Why?
Because I don't have makeup on.
Baby, you look beautiful.
Yeah, right there. But make sure you, yeah. How do you even remember where it was?
This is where it was, man. I remember it.
Oh my gosh.
It's right here.
What?
The battery.
It's stuck? Yeah, we definitely need a plant or something right here. But I like her, she's pretty. Hudson, you loving that cardboard? Hudson, what are you doing? Hudson keeps eating the plants. Hudson, stop. Alrighty guys, we finally finished. Obviously we haven't decorated the kitchen, so just ignore that. But as for the living room slash beauty room, here she is. Okay guys, so that's gonna be everything for today's vlog. I hope that you guys enjoyed. I had so much fun at filming this with you guys. So if you do like these vlogs, make sure to thumbs it up so I can know to keep doing them or not. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, Brittany Raquel, go ahead and subscribe. I post 3 videos a week, and I'll catch you guys next time. Bye. Where's my makeup wipe?